Hello everyone, my name is Crispin. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a very simple recipe which is but before that I want to highlight the most important process in the making of this pandan cake, which is the mixing process. In Wikipedia, the word mix is combined or put together to form one substance, so it is interspersed in space with one another and to achieve complete mixing. Now, have you ever wondered what does complete mixing means? So it is a state in which all samples are found to contain the components in the same proportions as in the whole mixture. Now you have the idea of what mixing is, so it's cooking time! So firstly, put 4 eggs, a cup of sugar, a spoon of omelette, and 4 spoons of milk inside a bowl and mix well. Then put a mixture of flour, baking powder, and soda bicarbonate into the first mixture. And then put a few drops of green food coloring and 200 ml of coconut milk inside the mixture, and it's ready to cook. The mixture is steamed up for 45 minutes. Thank you for your attention and happy cooking!